Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video we are going to be learning how I achieve this gele in just few minutes. So I divided the gele into two equal parts, that is 50-50 if I'm not mistaken. Then I brought it forward just as seen. I laid it very well, both sides, like I pleated it before I brought it forward, and I twisted it like two times. So that brought us to where I am now. So look at what I want to do here. This one, and I folded it like that, then I just cross it like this. Just watch and see. So I cross it like that, like I folded it into two parts. Then after that, I'll be pinning down that part. I'll be using my pin to hold it. It can't stand by itself. So I'm using my pin to pin it down to give me what I want. So guys, I've pinned it, and the other side, look at what I'm using it to do. I'll use it to cover my head at the middle to the back, and I'll tuck in the hand in part of the hole at the back. So I'm left with the front side where I'll be working with. See, this is what we have at the front side. So I'll pull that place out so that it will give me a shape like that. So this is how I achieve that. Style. It's very simple, and we are doing it ourselves. DIY. Do it yourself. If you want to know how to do gele head wrap by yourself, just subscribe to this channel. Follow my page if you're on Facebook. So we are going to learn together, guys. Don't forget to click the button below to follow if you're on Facebook, and to subscribe if you are on YouTube. So subscribe to this channel for more videos, DIY videos, tutorials like this, very fast and sharp. I love you guys. Remember to give the video a thumbs up. I need your comments. Leave your comment below. What do you see to this tutorial? Is it helpful? I'm very very sure you can try it, you can do it yourself, because I did it myself. So you can do it yourself. Just try it. Don't wait till the day you want to use it. Try and try and try. Bye.